Hello, I'm Mary Ellen. Welcome to my channel Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow, where we embrace the mess, laugh at the mishaps and celebrate the progress. Whether I'm cooking up a recipe, burning my fingers on the hot glue gun while crafting, digging in the garden or heading out on a family adventure, it's all about learning, growing and giving ourselves permission to not be perfect. Mistakes happen, and that's okay because in life's messes we learn and grow. Around here we focus on enjoying the process and making messy memories. So if you're into real-life creativity with a side of chaos, you're in the right place. Looking for a cute and easy Halloween craft that's fun for all ages? These DIY yarn ghosts are the perfect mix of spooky and sweet. Made with simple supplies. Whether you're decorating for a party, crafting with kids, or just adding a handmade touch to your Halloween decor, these little ghosts are sure to bring some ghostly charm to your home. Supplies needed: white yarn, empty toilet paper roll, scissors, hot glue gun and glue sticks, small wooden stick like a craft stick, skewer or twig, googly eyes, black felt or black paper, small ribbon. Let's get started. Wrap the yarn. Take your white yarn and wrap it around the toilet paper roll about 20 times. This will create the body of your ghost. Slide off and tie the head. Carefully slide the wrapped yarn off the roll, keeping the loops together. Then take a small piece of yarn and tie it around the top about 1 inch down to form the ghost head. Tie tightly and knot securely. Cut the bottom loops. Use scissors to cut through the bottom loops of yarn. This will create a tassel effect for the ghost's flowing body. Attach to a stick using hot glue. Attach the top of your ghost, the head, to the top of a wooden stick. Hold it in place for a few seconds until secure. Add the face. Glue on googly eyes. Cut a small mouth from black felt or paper and glue it below the eyes. Finish with a bow. Add a cute little bow under the ghost's head or near the top of the stick for extra personality. Glue it in place with hot glue. Optional ideas: use glow-in-the-dark yarn for a spooky twist. Create a whole ghost family in different sizes. Stick them in planters, Halloween centerpieces, or use them for puppet play. And there you have it, your very own adorable yarn ghost. Whether you make one or a whole ghostly gang, these little cuties are sure to add a handmade touch of Halloween fun to your home. Don't forget to get creative with their faces and bows. No two ghosts have to be alike. Happy crafting and happy haunting. Thank you so much for creating something special with me today. Let me know how you liked this video with a thumbs up or down. And if you didn't love it, feel free to leave a kind comment to help me improve. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. If you're not sure what to do now, watch one of my other videos. I have over 1,000 for you to choose from. Follow me on Facebook and my Pinterest page, or check out my website. Links to all of that and more can be found in this video's description. In life's messes we learn and grow, so get messy and keep learning and growing. I will see you again soon.